Okay, good morning 11th class. Then today we'll study about orbit and orbital. Means actually it's a difference between orbit and orbital. Hope so now you all are able to differentiate between orbit and orbital, because both the things we have done separately. Okay, but because this question is important कि क्या होता है difference, because you should know how to write. We have so many differences. Okay, in case of orbit, because now difference is clear to you. Okay, in case of orbit, I think you know that orbit is a simple circular path. This one is a fixed circular path in which electrons revolves around the nucleus. But in case of orbital, it's the probability of finding, where the probability of finding electron is maximum, that one is known as orbital. Okay, in case of orbit, we can fill maximum of electron, okay, according in one orbit, that is according to which formula, that one is 2n square, where n is simple, it's a number of orbit, first orbit, second orbit, that one is for orbit. But in case of orbital, I think you know maximum of, that one is maximum of 2 electron we can fill in one orbital. सिर्फ हम क्या कर सकते हैं, दो भर सकते हैं. Here we can fill electron in each orbit according to which formula, that one is 2n square rule. Okay, now another one is, I think you know that orbit is spherical in nature. Simple, this one is spherical, or either you can say circular. Okay, so that one orbit is only spherical in nature. But in case of orbital, only s orbital is spherical in nature and all other have particular shape. P orbital is single lobe dumbbell shaped, another one is double lobed, and another one is 7 or 8 fold structure. Okay, so it means only s orbital is spherical and all other p, d and f, that one have different shape. Then in case of orbit, I think you know, because orbit is spherical, it means it is non-directional. But in case of orbital, only s orbital is non-directional in nature and all other have a particular direction. Okay, and in case of their movement, electrons only revolves around in a fixed circular path in case of orbit. But in case of orbital, the motion of electron is in 3 dimension. वो किसी भी डायरेक्शन में जा सकता है, बट इन 3 डायमेंशन, नॉट इन सर्कुलर पाथ. ओके, दैट वन इज सिंपल डिफरेंस बिटवीन ऑर्बिट एंड ऑर्बिटल. ओके, होप सो इट्स क्लियर टू यू. Okay, 11th class. Now next topic we have one principle, that is Pauli's exclusion principle, that we have already done. And according to Pauli's exclusion principle, what we have learned important thing, that one is in one orbital we can fill maximum of 2 electron in one orbital, and that is of opposite spin. That one is very important principle when you will fill, while filling the electronic configuration. Okay, now in case of this, actually our next principle is Aufbau principle. Okay, and this principle is again this principle is helpful in writing the electronic configuration of an atom. Whatever is the atom, either hydrogen, helium, lithium, up to 118 elements. Okay, how to write their electronic configuration, some rules we have that we have to study. So in that one, Aufbau rule is very important, Aufbau principle is important. On this basis only will fill electronic configuration. How? Okay, now just see, first of all, in case of Aufbau principle, now remember one thing, this Aufbau, that one is not a name of scientist. ये किसी scientist का नाम नहीं है. कभी खुश हो जाओ और ऐसे बोलो अरे Aufbau ने दिया था Aufbau principle. Okay, no, this Aufbau means, this meaning of Aufbau, that is, it's a building up. Okay, or either you can say, or okay, to construct, either you can say building up, or either you can say to construct. Okay, that one is the meaning of Aufbau. Actually it's a German word. Now according to Aufbau principle, okay, in the ground state of an atom, जब भी atom अपने normal state में, not okay in ionic form or something. Okay, whenever that atom is in the ground state, then the filling of electron in the orbitals, जब भी हम electrons को orbital में भर रहे हैं, that one is always from lower energy level to higher energy level. Okay, that one is according to above principle, or in simple language you can understand like this कि electrons are filled from lower energy to higher, or either in increasing order of their energies. That one is simple above principle, and for that he gave one chart कि भरना कैसे है. तो how to draw that chart, that I'll tell you कि कैसे बनाना है उसको. Okay, now just see, simple, you know, our orbitals are start from first. Okay, that was S, P, D, F, and shells are started from first one. Okay, so for how to draw that chart to write electronic configuration, that's simple. First of all, just see, it's a pattern कि how to draw it. So 1s, then 2s, 3s, 4s, 5s, 6s, and 7s. Now just see, because you know that one is in first orbit only, which in first shell, okay, which orbital is possible, that one is only s. Okay, that one is s, that already explained in quantum numbers कि in first shell only s orbital, or either you can say it's a s subshell is possible. Now in case of p, when we have to start p, so in first shell p orbital is not present, that one is present. कहाँ present है? That is okay 2p, 3p, 4p, 6, sorry, that one is 5p, it's a 6p, and this one is 7p. Now d started from third one, 3d, 4d, 5d, and only 6d. 7th d is not there. Reason is because electrons are not there. Okay, that's why. Okay, मतलब electrons in a sense कि we have only 118 elements. Okay, if more will discover, then maybe we'll fill 7d also, but अभी इतनी ही requirement है. Okay, now just see F, that is 4f, and another one is 5f. This one is simple representation. Now, okay, join these orbits diagonally. अब इनको क्या करोगे? सबको diagonally जोड़ दो. Okay, now just see diagonally. Okay, now electrons enter like this. कहाँ से enter करेंगे? Lower energy. That one is 1s. After that, this point and this point will join first end and last end. Then this, after that this point, just see this point, okay, like this. So first end and last end. So this one is all arrows like this, and this one is last, first end and last end. Now, okay, this table is required only when electrons are there with higher atomic number. If it is for lower one, so you can write like this. इसे हम कैसे लिखेंगे? Now how to fill electron in which form? First of all, you have to start from 1s. Just see, this one is, I am writing here only, that one is your first electron. You can fill in first shell, that one is 1s. After that you have to fill 2s, then another one is 2p, after that 3s, then 3p, after that just see 3p, then 4s, and after that 3d, and after that so on. Now just see, simple, this one is a sequence from lower energy to higher energy. Now in this one, lower, then more. Okay, this one is sequence to fill electronic configuration. यहाँ से भरना शुरू करेंगे. And you know, in one orbital we can fill maximum of 2 electron. So now just see, s is present. So in s, how many electron we can fill maximum? That one is 2. जहाँ पे भी s है, just see 2. That one is maximum. In case of p, how many orbitals? 3 orbitals, and 3 into 2, 6. That means in case of p subshell, okay, we can fill how many electrons? 6. Here also 6. And in case of d, 5 orbitals. In one orbital 2 electron. So in case of d, okay, we can fill maximum of 10 electron. This one is, I am talking about maximum. Okay, now with the help of this, you can fill electronic configuration. How to fill electronic configuration, कैसे भर रहे हैं, okay, that also I'll explain to you. Okay, if you are not able to understand this table कि बड़ा complicated सा है, कैसे करेंगे या something है, तो I have one shortcut also. Okay, that also I'll tell you कि how to write that one. You will find that easy कि हम उसे आराम से क्या कर सकते हैं, उसके basis पे भी learn कर सकते हो, but that one is a shortcut. Okay, this table was given by our principal. इस principal से ये table मिली है, but shortcut form also I have, that also I'll explain to you. Okay. Okay, 11th class. Okay, to write that table, okay, कैसे लिख सकते हैं उस वाले table को in shortcut form. Okay, that also I'll tell you, and it's a technique याद करने की अच्छी सी technique है. Now just see what you have to learn. That is, just see, school, public school. It's a pattern याद करने का. Okay, school, public school, okay, DPS, okay, okay, फालतू DPS, okay, फालतू DPS. Now just see what I have said. That one is school, दो बार रिपीट करना है चीज़ों को. Okay, school, public school, DPS, फालतू DPS. Okay, now just see, in this one you have to fill their number of shell. S, you know कहाँ से start हो रहा है first. That one is 1S, 2S, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 8th अभी आया नहीं है. जब आएगा 119th element तो we will fill that also. Okay, now P started with 2P, 3P, 4P, that one is 5P, 6P, and this one is 7P. Okay, another one D started with 3D, 4D, 5D and 6D. F started with 4F and 5F. So this one is a pattern. You can write that whole table in this form. Okay, and this one is easy. आराम से इससे क्या कर सकते हो, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन लिख सकते हो. चलो सॉल्व करें कुछ क्वेश्चन. Okay, 11th class. Now on the basis of above principle, now we'll write electronic configuration. Okay, question is write orbital electronic configuration of the following. You have to write electronic configuration. Orbital is written because we are filling accordingly, but even if it is written only electronic configuration, then also you have to write this type of electronic configuration. Previous one is not wrong, but we are following this because that one is generally valid up to 20. Okay, now your work, you have to learn atomic number up to 30. Hope so it's learned to you. सबको याद होने चाहिए, तो हमने 10th में याद किए थे. Okay, now just see electronic configuration. We'll start with easy one. Suppose hydrogen. Okay, atomic number of hydrogen is 1. Okay, it means if atomic number is 1, so proton and electron both are 1. Okay, now this one is how to fill electronic configuration. Start with lower energy. That one is 1s. Okay, so we'll fill 1s, and maximum how many electron we can fill? 2. Okay, but here only one electron is present in case of this one, so we will write 1s1. Okay, now second one is, it's a helium. That one is number of electron is 2, so we can write 1s2. This one is maximum. Now third one, it's a lithium, 3. It's a 1s2. Now 2 electron filled, still 1 is remaining. कहाँ जाएगा? Next level पे. It means 2s. So this one is 2s and only 1 electron is remaining, so we can write 2s1. Okay, now next thing is, suppose थोड़ा बड़ा करें, this one is oxygen. Okay, oxygen, atomic number of oxygen is 8. So you can write, follow this pattern only. Okay, 1s2. Okay, 2s2. Just see total number of electron is 4. Still 4 are left. कहाँ जाएंगे? That one is 2p. So this one is 2p4. So this one is for oxygen. Now another one we have, what example? That one is, suppose sodium. Sodium is 11. So this is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 10. Still one is left. कहाँ follow जाएगा? That one is higher energy, that is 3s, and only one electron is left. So that one is 3s1. Okay, like this you have to fill electronic configuration. Okay, so practice these type of